Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of thetrustisyou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors how they can save federal taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. So few people have ever heard of the Spendthrift Trust. It is legal, it is patented, it's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. The rich families know all about this. And our current tax code that went into effect in February of 1913, 110 years ago, it was only supposed to be around for a few years. The very rich families, the Carnegies, the DuPonts, the Rockefellers, purposely put this in the tax code so they can save taxes. If they can save taxes, why can't we save taxes? This is why I'm doing these short vignettes. On February 13th at 4 p.m. East Coast time, I will do a live presentation with new clients and I will open up for Q&A. But between now and then, I'm going to do little short vignettes of different clients. Now, the business trust is going to be for U.S. 1099 income earners and U.S. Business owners. You will save at least 90% on your federal taxes every single year. Plus, if you're in one of the 43 states that have state income taxes or personal taxes, you can save that also. Today, we're going to talk about the beneficial trust. The beneficial trust is for any and all U.S. investors. I don't care what you're doing. You could be a crypto investor, a real estate investor. You could be doing Forex trading, commodities trading, futures trading in the stock market. You could be doing day trading. You could have short-term rental. You could have long-term rental. You could have commercial properties. You could be in royalties, being an author, an actor, a songwriter. You could be in NFT world. You could have patents or anything else. With the beneficial trust, you're going to save the following taxes year after year, generation after generation. You're going to save short-term capital gains that are a year or less when you sell something at a profit, or long-term capital gains that are at 15% or 20% when it's more than a year. Yes, you can do a 1031 exchange. There is a timeline, and all you're doing there is kicking the can down the street. You'll have to pay them sooner or later. With the Spendthrift Trust, you'll never pay them. Also, you'll not pay interest income. This is for passive investors, people who are in REITs, people who are put money into a CD or something else. This is interest income. If you are doing seller financing, creative financing, subject to real estate, maybe you're doing the burst strategy in real estate, or like myself, I have notes, or if you're a Forex investor. Forex investors, you get taxed twice, interest income and capital gains. So this is going to be my story today, but I'll get there in just a second. Though you're going to save dividend income if you're in the stock market, if you're a day trader, if you're doing commodities trading or futures trading. Rental income if you have short-term rental like Airbnb, vacation rentals, or traveling nurses, or long-term rental, 10 doors, 20 doors, commercial property, multifamily property. Yes, you can take cost segregation. Yes, you can do depreciation, but you will still save rental income. And then royalties. If you are an actor, an actress, if you're a writer, if you're a songwriter, a musician, if you're in the NFT world, if you have intellectual property, if you have mineral rights, or if you're like myself, I get paid for doing this because it is copyrighted. I have both the business trust and the beneficial trust. I started them in September of 2020, and I have saved thousands of dollars in taxes. I want to teach you how to save taxes. Now, let me share the screen with you. This was an interesting phone call. He saw one of my TikTok videos. He is a young investor. He's only 24 years old. He just got out of college. He's studying Forex trading with a company. He's making about $45,000 in W-2 income. I can't touch W-2 income. In 2023, he made $36,000 in profits. First year doing Forex investing. Congratulations to him. Now, if he starts to spend through trust, I'm using 2024 numbers because this is all in the past now. If he's using making $45,000 and we take out that $36,000 out of his income, we drop his federal taxes from 22% down to 12%, and he's going to save $7,705 on his W-2 income. That's all I can do for him. I'm taking the Forex away from his personal income. Right now, he's doing this in his own name. He's not doing this in an LLC or anything else, so it is affecting him. He went from 22% went from 12% tax rate up to 22% tax rate. We'll drop him back down. Now, on his profits. I'm using 22% tax rate for his profits. If he makes more money, he can save even more. But just to give you an idea, because he was at 22% tax rate, his capital gains would be $7,920 on his $36,000. And his interest income would be another $7,920 on his profits on that. So if he starts the beneficial spendthrift trust on his, we would save him over 23,000. We would save him $23,545 in 1 year. If he makes more than $36,000 in Forex trading, which he plans to because he's really doing well now, let's say he goes up to 40,000, let's say he goes up to 70,000, 80,000, he will not have to worry about paying short-term capital gains or interest income on any of his profits. That's his money to invest again more into Forex trading, to pay off to buy a house. He doesn't have a house, he's renting right now, to buy a house, to pay off his car, to pay off his student loans, to go on a family vacation, do whatever he wants. And ladies, he's 24 years old and single. It's a great deal. Again, if I can help you guys start saving money as a U.S. Business owner, a U.S. 1099 income earner, or a U.S. investor, I would love for you to come on February 13th at 4 p.m. If you need to talk to me before that, just like this gentleman did, he saw one of my TikTok videos and he scheduled an appointment with me. My appointment scheduling, www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. I hope you all have a wonderful Saturday. Take care. Bye-bye.